Hi guys, it's me, Kris, back with a small video of unboxing of the Allure beauty box, which is unusual because I don't usually get this one this soon. It's usually like BoxyCharm and Ipsy, and then this one's last by the end of the month. However, didn't work out that way. And Kathy's gone, so you know she doesn't get any of the boxes anymore. So anyhow, this right here is the beauty box, if you can see, and we're gonna unbox it. So alright, this is what it looks like inside. Okay, let's see. It does have a card, so I can tell you how much things are. They also enclosed a card for a glow up. It's got a barcode, you know, that they're putting on everything nowadays. And there's different things on different. The one that catches my eyes, I have never used 3Skin. They have it here marked down from $270 to $30. Let's see right there. That's a good price. I was tempted, I will tell you. Okay, here we go. We've got, let's see. Alright, this is Tula. Let's see. It is, it's an Allure best of, so that's pretty good. The retail price on this is $32, and I do believe that this is a full size. So, $32. Okay, let's see. We also have, now I don't know if they've got this on there, they have put a sample of Good Fortune perfume. Oh my goodness, guys, it's really, I don't like perfume as a whole, but this is nice. The only one that I have found recently that I like better than any of the ones I have is the Black Opium. I want that one so bad. I'm going to have to save up a little bit and get that. This one here, oh, FKA Twigs. I don't know if you know who she is. She is a singer. She's British. I did not know that she's a, what you call it, doing this one, advertising this one. So, there we have it. Now, I'm not sure this is, okay, they have magnetic lashes. They even have some lashes for underneath. Let me get to this. That's these right here. Now, are these Tory Bell? I'm not sure if these are Tory Bell or not, because they've got this in here. I don't know if you can see. And then on the back, you know, instructions. So I don't know. Let me see what we've got price-wise for. Wow, there's some stuff in here that we don't have. Okay, this is magnetic eyelashes, and it's $55 for a set of eyelashes and eyeliner. Holy crap. Okay, it shows here that there's this up here. That did not come. I don't see that in the box. Wait. Guess what? Here it is right here. This is probably, anybody that wears, you know, the lashes, this is probably going to go in a giveaway. So if you need lashes, you like lashes, this might be coming up. So alright, now and I said 55, I think. Now we have This is, what is this? This is TYNT, and it is brow gel clear. You guys know that I try all these that I can find. So far, Wander Beauty has been the best, but they're very expensive, so I'll give it a try. I have never heard of TYNT. If you have, let me know in the description box down below. Let me know what you think about them. Okay, there's that. Then we have, it's from Sephora, and this is Clean Skin Gel. This is it right here. I guess you just, it says for face, eyes, and neck. We'll see. Okay, and that is going to be, let's see. Okay, if you wanted a full size, it's $12, so it's not that expensive. Okay, now let's see. Okay, here we have, okay, this is Biosense. It's Squalene plus Omega Repair Cream. This is what it is right here. It's just, it says apply to skin morning and night. Sorry about that. Red. I'm on video. I'm on video. What? Hurry. Well, yeah, I'm okay. Gotta go. Bye. Unfortunately, since all of us have been sick, and when we mentioned it, we said, except for my two boys. Well, guess what? Yeah, it happened. We've got the one, Jake, he doesn't handle being sick at all. So it's mom. Yeah, I'll have to see what he's wanting after I'm done. Okay, I am looking for that Bioessence, which, this is odd. Why would it not be in here? Oh, here we go. These were stuck. Okay. It's $58 for 1.2 ounces. I'm not sure how much that is. However, let's see how much this is 0.5. So, there you have it. Okay, and then the last thing that's in the box is Esker. It's a beneficial body care. It's got juniper, palmarosa, lavender, rose geranium, grapefruit. It's a firming oil. I'm curious to see. Okay, this, oh, by the way, I did forget to tell you how much that brow gel was. This one from TYNT is $14. So, I'm sorry about that. Okay, let's see if I can find, okay, the Esker, which is this one, is $40 for 2 ounces. So, this one is 20 milliliters. I'm never able to figure that one out. If it's, sorry guys, I'm still sick. And I can get this open, and I want to see what it looks like. Here we go. Okay, just a regular little bottle. And, I don't want to open it. Oh my gosh, you guys. I don't know what's going on today. I hate smells, y'all know it. But this is nice. This is nice. The other things are nice. I don't know what's going on. Alright, that is all that is in the box. All in all, it's not a bad box, but most of the time anymore right now, I end up either giving stuff to Kathy, which y'all know, or putting it in a giveaway, which y'all haven't seen yet, but we have a ton of stuff in the giveaway. Well, I should say me. Alright guys, so if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps. And like and subscribe. Doesn't cost anything. And if you enjoy normally 2 people, that'd be great. So no matter where you are, I hope you are well. Stay safe, have fun, and take care. And I will see you on the next video. Bye.